All right, guys, I'm going to go over your warm-up questions. So question number 1, what did you learn about star fruit from only reading the text? So I don't care about the pictures right now, I'm just looking at the text. Here's my text. Star fruit is a popular fruit in Asia. Star fruit grows in hot tropical places. The fruit can have a sweet, tart, and sour taste. So let's go down to my options. What did I learn about star fruit from only the text? Star fruit are yellow. The text never said anything about them being yellow. Star fruit come in different shapes. I didn't read anything about what shape they're in. Star fruit can be found all over the world. It says that they're popular in Asia. I don't really know if they're all over the world. And the last option is star fruit grow in hot climates. It says that star fruit grows in a hot tropical place, so my answer would be D, or the last option. Question 2. What did you learn about star fruit by looking at the details of the images? All right, so now I'm going to be looking at the pictures. Star fruit taste sweet and sour. Just by looking at the picture, I don't know what they taste like. Star fruit are yellow. Oh, I'm looking at the picture and they look like they're yellow, but I want to go through my remaining 2 options to make sure. Star fruit are popular in Asia. I cannot tell that by the picture. I remember reading it though. And the last one is star fruit feel soft. I can't really tell what they feel like because I'm not touching them. So I know that I learned from the images that star fruit are yellow.